Hello, I'm Adrian Crawford, Williams Crawford, passion for Porsche. I'm here with our restoration guru and 356 expert, Graham Kidd, and we'd like to show you around some of the work we've done on this fantastic 356.
So what we have here is a Porsche 356 Pre-A Cabriolet. So it's built late 1953-54 model year car. So it's a really early Porsche. This car came to us as a driving car, just needing paint. Well, many hours later, the car has been stripped, all the metal replaced that's needed, bodywork done and painted. So what we have here now is a fully painted Pre-A body shell. So the obviously once we strip this back, we've got the car media blasted, the body shell, and it reveals all kinds of horrors, as you can imagine, which mainly is the floor pans. The rear part, the bodywork on this was really bad, and quite bad on the front as well. So inside of the car, all the floors have been chopped out, all the panels up through the side of the sills here, all the outer sills have all been replaced. The centre tunnel's all original, the tops all through here and up through here is all original. The rear seat area and all of this area is factory metal. We've had to replace pieces, these pieces have been replaced here, new floors through, repairs through all the way through here, but the biggest part of the job was the back end. That was I think the car had been sat in water somewhere and it got really rusty.
One of the things that Graham pointed out to me that I think is worth mentioning is that you can see like these wrinkles through here, and you can see what I would classify as poor welding and hammer marks and things up in the rear quarters.
Here, yeah.
These wrinkles. These are all factory originals, so it's correct to leave these things in place. There's a balance between this originality and doing things as badly as the factory might have done them in the beginning, you know, to be authentic. I suspect that the finish and the standard that we get on the outside and the accuracy of it exceeds that which a factory would have managed back in those days.
So this car, we've spent a lot of time doing the gaps on it in the metalwork stage, and then when you're in the bodywork stage is fine-tuning those. So as you can see, the gap's pretty uniform around the door, and you also got to weigh in the fact that you introduce glass and door panels on it, so that again, once you know, you've got to counteract for the weight that goes in the door as well when you're building the car up. Right. So there's little bits and pieces like that. So and it's the same on the bonnet as well, the gap on that. And another thing that I look for on restorations is if you like move inside. So obviously we've replaced a lot of these panels here have been replaced, and what I always think is key on a restoration is to seam seal every seam. So every seam underneath this car has had a bead of sealer in it. It's been rust treated first, and the bead of sealer that prevents any water ingress. As soon as you get water ingress, you're in trouble. So the colour is actually a well-known colour, is Gulf orange. So we had a choice of oranges. Obviously there's thousands of different oranges, but that's the one we've gone for. It's a subtle colour. It probably doesn't show it up on the video, but different lights, it's just it changes so much. It's almost a pastel. People will look at the car and go, oh, why have they painted that colour? Hang up a minute, it's got the right gauges, it's got the correct engine, it's got the correct gearbox, it's got the correct fixtures and fittings. So it will be, you know, a really nice car with a non-standard factory paint finish.
Well, Graham's bad because he said it'll be a really nice car, but I have looked at enough of this worldwide to know this is a world-class standard. This would stand there with the very best of them. So I think it's exceptional. I think that the guys here have done an exceptionally good job, and I'm immensely proud of it.